Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So what we have specifically here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on the 2012 Ford F-150. If you have a different year but that generation, video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. One, the main engine management fuse box, it's under the hood above the radiator. That's the cover for the fuse box, but we don't need this one today. We need the body control module fuse box, which is located in the cabin on the passenger side, under the dash, under the glove box, by that kick panel. You remove the plastic here on the side, you open the fuse box, and you will, guys, see, okay, you will see that fuse box. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you exactly where that fuse box is located now. So and you can see everything with a great detail. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse that you need to check for the license plate and the tag light will be, if you start from left to right, will be 1, 2, 3, that fourth row right here, guys. Okay, not counting this fuse, but that fuse right here on the right side of the relay, that 10 fuse, that will be the one that you will need to check. Very important fuse, guys. Check this fuse, 10 fuse that we have in our truck right here.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.